All right, this is, I think, episode number 4. I'll know that when I upload it, but we have to work on this carburetor now. Installing the right springs and all that. I think it's been run without an air filter. Air cover was missing, no air filter, so I assume that the carburetor might be messed up. I noticed that the gas tank is empty. That's always a sign. No, there's a tiny bit of gas in there, but I'm always suspicious that the carburetor is going to leak. So let me get my chair. Hang on. This is what I'm dealing with here. A flathead screw, which is incorrect. One of those star center screws, which is incorrect. What attaches to the carburetor is a little 5/16 head screw there, 5/16 head screw there, and a 5/16 head screw there that just hangs. It just hangs this piece from here. These are the only two that go under the carburetor. Those are the really important ones. So I just wanted you to see what I'm working on here. So I gotta figure out how to get these mongrel screws out. Hoping I can put a socket on that one with the star. Otherwise I've got to go over there and dig it out and get the head screw. Hopefully this screwdriver will fit it. Coming out pretty easily. All right, that's not too bad of a screw, but it doesn't go there. And oh, that's not even a socket type head, so I am gonna have to get my star heads out. Stuff sometimes that people put on mowers is amazing. Let's see, that's pretty big. See if that will fit it. Yep, that's it right there. I lost the handle to this screwdriver, so what I have to use is a 1/4-inch socket. And let me see if I can just do it by hand. If it's not going to work, I'll get my socket wrench out. Oh yeah, that's tight. Let me get the socket wrench on here. I don't know why somebody put that on so tight. And this screw is missing, so that's why this whole thing moves. The carburetor's not supposed to move like that. It does appear to be coming out, but I'll use my power wrench, get this thing off of there. All right, let's see. I need, where is it? I've got to get my 1/4-inch drive here. I've set it down someplace. There it is. Here's my 1/4-inch drive stuck on that long shaft. So let me get this loaded up in the drill. Now this 1/4-inch will fit on that socket, and hopefully this thing's not stripped and I can actually get it out. All right. So that's what was in there. I never want to see that again, so that's going in the trash. No gasket there, so that's not good. And there's your carburetor. I wonder if it's going to leak. I guess a simple way to test it would be to put some fuel in here, but I think what I'll do is take that carburetor off and we're going to look at it together. Get my 1/4 inch again. Don't want to lose that star bit. This is a 1/4 inch long screw that holds this on. I don't necessarily have to take that off to get this off. Maybe I'll leave it on, but because I can't get that under there. Let me go ahead and do that. I don't normally do that. Well, all right, I'm going to go ahead and take this off. This long screw holds this long piece of plastic linkage to the self-priming mechanism. I'll probably clean that off because it's kind of rusty and funky, but it does work. So now I'm gonna get this carburetor off of here so I can look in there and take it apart. 3/8 socket. Got it started. Now I'm going to use my electric drill to get this thing off of there. Okay, got it off enough. No seam. Okay, yep, it's off. Oh, somebody's using custom gaskets. That doesn't belong there. Let me go ahead and get this broken spring off. It's like they call that a paper clip on the end. Paper clip type. Now, with the tank off, this is easy to get off. So I can swing it around and make this L turn for the carburetor. Oh, let me get this other screw out. Come here, well, it'll come off in a minute. All right. Okay. So let's see what we got with this carburetor. I like to use big flathead pliers to put on here and get this hose clamp off. That's done. Oh, we got me some gasoline on myself. Didn't want to do that, but there's some in there. Okay, that slipped right out, so that's usually a sign it's been worked on. Let me get the gasoline off my hands. Give me a different glove here. So here's our carburetor. Oh man, look at that. What the hell? Wow. Bunch of funky stuff on there. I can't even get to that nut. He's got some kind of custom gasket on there. Let's see if that clears away. I don't know what that was. Like a homemade gasket or something. All right, let's see. Just curious how bad this is going to be. Not able to get my purchase on there because of all the gunk. Get my pocket knife around this thing. Yeah, somebody's probably tried to glue this in because they thought it was leaking. And they just have to throw this whole thing away. Yeah, that's, somebody's torn that up real good. I'll worry about that later. And just get me a decent carburetor to put on here. What is that? Some kind of bug or something? Okay, I'm gonna sign off for now until I can find either a new carburetor, a good carburetor to put on there. You see where I'm headed with this. There's a screw that's missing there that's the reason this carburetor was flopping around, because it mounts here and then there's one screw down there. When you come back, we'll be putting on a good carburetor on this machine.